Yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, man? Hope y'all doing good out there. All right, in this video, I wanted to talk about everything I talked about so far. All of the drug tests, how to pass them, what to do, just everything, guys. Like, I really want to cover it deeply, so I don't want to waste any time. I want to jump straight to it, so let's get it going. Now, as you guys know, the most common test is the urine test, and there's many ways you can pass it. The synthetic urine, the powdered human urine. Let me add that in there. Cleansing drinks, detox pills. Now, when using detox pills, I recommend 5 days or longer. You know what I'm saying? So your body can have time to detox it out. And don't think that drinking a bunch of water and doing a lot of exercise and sweating and having clear urine, don't think that's going to help you pass the test, because you're going to dilute the urine, your actual urine, and it's going to be all water. So they're going to make you redo the test. You know what I'm saying? And that's the last thing you want to do. Like, don't make, that's an amateur move right there. You know what I'm saying? Just take enough, just take, like when it comes to the pills, just take the pills enough for enough days, 5 or more days, depending on your body weight and stuff like that, or depending on how much is in your body, you probably want to go longer than that. But more than 5 days, man, because you need your body to give it time to do that, And also, the synthetic urine, it still works. It works, guys. Many people are skeptical about it. This is something I recommend if the test is unsupervised, because if it's supervised, you really can't get synthetic urine inside of there. It's going to be kind of hard. And also, another one that's overlooked is the powdered human urine. This one is great, man. It's easy. All you need is water. Heat it up, mix it, and you have 100% pure, clean human urine, which is what you want. I hope you're a human, you know what I'm saying? And then it's going to work for you. You want human urine, So no synthetic stuff is, all that synthetic crap is, most of it is not 100% real, But with the powdered, you get actually human urine. So guys, for that, quick fix and the powdered urine are both like $30, and that's for the most common test. So, bam, very easy, very simple. Now let's talk about cleansing drinks. Now, I recommend Mega Clean. I've used it multiple times, and I always have it on deck, man. And it starts working probably within an hour, and it masks the THC for up to like 4 or 5 hours. So that's the perfect window. Now, this is probably the best brand out there. Mega Clean is the best brand out there. So they also have Stinger and stuff like that. It's all low quality bullshit. Do not get it, man. Mega Clean. Get Mega Clean. It costs about 60, $70, which is worth it because, more than likely your job is on the line and you definitely want to keep that, So if you're somebody with like the light toxin exposure, smoke every now and again, it's very light in your body, use the extra clean, that's going to be enough for you. It's going to save you some money. It's the same brand and it runs about $39, you know what I'm saying? It's not going to completely kill your pockets. Now, let's go to detox pills. Detox pills, it takes more time, because detox is detoxing. It's not just masking. So Toxin Rid is the best detox pills. It's good for marijuana, cocaine, speed, ecstasy, opiates, nicotine, like all drugs. I'm saying it works heavily for all drugs. They have the 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4, 5, 7, and 10 days. They have those programs. The longer the better. I always go with the 10 days because I always want to be sure, man. I don't want to be cheap when it comes to this. I always want to be sure. And one box comes with the detox pills, the dietary fiber, and 1 fluid ounce detox liquid. Like, it works, man. The pills are amazing. The pills works, So that's not only for urine. That's for urine, blood, and saliva. The pills work because it actually detoxes it. But the downside to it, starts around $50 and it goes up to like $180. So people kind of get mad at that. But hey, you gotta pay for quality, how I see it. And for people with the higher toxin and toxin exposure in their body, go for the longer program. Go for the 10 days. The longer the better. Okay, guys. Also certo. We hear a lot about certo. It's popular because it's cheap. Everybody's looking for the cheap method. Everybody's looking for the cheap way out. And about certo is many people say that it works. But I personally know 3 people who failed the test with certo. 3 people who failed the test with certo. So I'm not going to recommend it to you guys because I don't want you to fail it. And it's similar to the cleansing drinks and then max THC. It's okay, but if you don't have a, let's say, proper time to buy a cleansing drink, but I won't really recommend it. I don't think I recommend it. Because I think a lot of people when they use Certo, they're using these cheap at home drug tests, and the results are skewed. The results are messed up. The results, because it's not an official test. It's one of the cheap tests you could buy, whatever. And but when you have the real drug test, people actually fail it. So be careful about Certo, because it's I don't know. It can really. I don't know. I feel like it's a gamble. Okay, for an example, I know a guy who used Certo, and then a day later he got a call about his drug test, and he had to redo it because they said they wasn't sure what was in his urine. So as I mentioned with Certo, you're kind of rolling the dice. So if the test is unsupervised, and go with the synthetic urine or powdered urine, otherwise Mega Clean or Toxin Rid detox pills. Remember, the longer the better. Now, guys, blood tests. Blood tests are huge. Because that means that you're probably going for a real high position or something that's very important if they're taking your blood for it. Toxin Rid will probably do the job. I think it will do the job. Well, I know it will actually do the job. And once again, the longer the better. I go for the highest program they got, 10 days, whatever you see. Toxin Rid, the longer the better. Now, the thing about Toxin Rid, it can't mask blood. Like, you can't mask what's in your blood. Your blood is what's in your blood. So the Toxin Rid, I recommend that because it completely detoxes you, and because it gets it all out. So it's good for heavy drugs as well. For the marijuanas and well, not for the marijuanas. It's good for marijuana, but the amphetamines and cocaine and opiates and stuff like that. If you want more detailed info and stuff like that, I did a blood test video, so you can check that out. Also, guys, saliva, man, the saliva drug test. Now, this is more popular. It's actually getting very popular. This is usually for insurance companies and labor companies and stuff like that. Always recommend saliva neutralizing gum. Saliva neutralizing gum is amazing, man. Like, I keep it on deck. I keep it on me at all times, because you never know when you're going to have that random drug test. And it starts working in as quick as 30 seconds, and it lasts for a good while. You know what I'm saying? I keep it on deck. It's small, easy to keep, and I just keep it like that. It's good for like on the spot sort of drug test. They also, I would say the downside about the neutralizing gum is that you pay $90 for gum. Which is a lot to some people, but keep thinking, that your job is on the line, so you don't want to mess that up. Now, the other one is the mouthwash, of course. As you guys know, I've spoken about previous videos. It's a 1 ounce bottle, and it starts working within a few minutes, and it costs about $30. You know what I'm saying? I say the gum is better. They both work, but I say the gum is better because it's small. You can have it in your pocket. You can keep it on deck. Or you can just keep both, man. You know what I'm saying? It's all on you. But I recommend both because they both work, but I just keep the gum on me for those, spur of the moment type things. Now, guys, the hair drug test, the hair follicle test is huge, man. Man, if you have this one, I feel sorry for you, but I'm going to tell you how to pass it. So, you want the Aloe rich shampoo, so, like, guys, this hair drug test is a pain. Like, you're going to have to keep washing and washing and washing. Like, you would need clean and clear pink and any other, salicylic acid, white vinegar, and aloe rich shampoo. Like, you really have to get that stuff out of there. It's insane how that works, man. And the aloe rich shampoo is kind of pricey. It's around $230, but it's the best detox shampoo on the market. I kid you not. Like, it's amazing, man. And I made a video about the hair follicle test, and it's actually fun. You should check it out. I got an example of my friend's girlfriend. I believe she bleached her hair and did all kind of stuff or whatever. But anyway, when you're dealing with the hair follicle test, the Recuse method is best. So you want to wash your hair with warm water, massage it with the vinegar, then apply the shampoo. Put the shower cap on, leave it on for 30 minutes, let it soak, let it really get in there. Remove the shower cap, rinse your hair, wash and rinse your hair with the aloe rich shampoo. Do this like 7 to 10 times before the drug test. The more the better. Wash that thing out. Like 10 times means like twice every day during your last 5 days before the test or 3 times a day during the last 3 days. Like, really get in there. Like, really get in there because you really want everything gone. It's your hair. So the follicles are very small in your hair. So you have to get everything. Now, some people, as I talked about in a video about my hair follicle test, some people bleach their hair and they just completely ruin their hair. Like, probably gonna go bald soon doing that crap. So don't do that, man. Just do the Aloe shampoo, suck it up, pay that $230 and keep it going. Now, nicotine test. Nicotine test is the same thing as the blood, urine, and saliva test. Like the Toxin red. You keep hearing me say that because those pills are legit, man. Those pills work. You know, it will help you for the urine, blood. You know, it will really help you for all those tests. And as far as the saliva, as you guys know, the mouthwash or the gum for the saliva test. You know, I did a detailed video on a nicotine drug test video, so you can definitely check that out if you want more info on that. So, guys, that excuse me, that pretty much wraps up all of the tests in, you know, a nutshell and how to pass them. You know, as I mentioned, I did way more detailed videos on, you know, on most of these, so you can definitely check those out. And if you want like step-by-step guidelines and you want to know about the products and stuff like that, go to www. Excuse me, I keep something in my throat. www.exit-5.info. Check it out. I'll leave a direct link for you guys, so you can definitely check that out. And you know, it's gonna pretty much give you the rundown on everything you need. Now, I've had, you know, so many emails, guys, that people has contacted me and said like, hey, your methods work. This method worked. I passed this test. I finally got this job. I did this. I did that. And I'm so happy for everybody who's finding success with this, man, because I'm trying these myself. I'm not just putting out information. I'm trying these tests myself. I'm buying the most expensive at-home drug tests. Trying these different tests, and they're working, man. Like, everyone's finding success with the methods I'm putting out. And I like to thank everybody who's contributing, who's asking questions, who's inspiring these videos, man, because I do this for you guys, you know, and I just want to let you know that when I am saying this working. And my last piece of advice I would say is don't fall for the crap. And what I mean don't fall for the crap is that don't try to save money in order to lose a job, you know, because that's what's on the line at the end of the day. So if I seen a cleansing drink on Amazon for like $9 and I got the Mega Clean for $69, it's a price difference for a reason, right? It's a price difference for a big reason. Maybe because the $9 product is shit, okay? Maybe that's the deal. You're not getting a deal, okay? Because you're probably gonna lose your job. So don't compromise quality. Like, at the end of the day, you're paying for quality. You're paying for what works, guys. And that's what I want for you, because I don't want you to fail your drug test, because I know a lot of people who failed it and it's completely ruined their lives, man, and I don't want that to happen to you. Alright, guys, so with that being said, that pretty much wraps up this video, man. I know I discussed a lot. As I mentioned, I have a separate video for each one of these. If you want more in depth on your certain situation, then definitely check that out, man. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, show some love. Keep sending them questions, especially through Facebook. I'm getting a lot of questions there. You know, a lot of people hit me up. I'm really excited about it, man. You know, leave some comments in the videos and let me answer those for you, man. So with that being said, I am out of here, man. Peace out. Go pass your drug test. Make it happen, man.